Hi dear students, everybody welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. How are you dear students? Right, almost JEE 2023 का fever आ गया है, right? We are almost at October end of the month. We are just left with three and a half months. Maybe in the month of January or February we are expecting JEE Main first session, right? Maybe the second session may be in the month of April, right? As of now, no official information about this JEE Main schedule, but still with respect to the previous statistics, we can guess maybe in the last week of Jan or first week or second week there is a chance to get JEE Main session 1, and in the month of April there may be session 2, right? That is point number 1. Now JEE Main as well as Advanced is target for lakhs of students, right? So across the country around lakhs of students will be trying, will be working out, will be working hard for years together. Some students from 11th class, some student from 8th class, some student maybe from 6th class, they will be trying for JEE, right? It's a dream for lakhs of students. Now my dear students, almost we can assume say there are 100 days or 99 days. If you could get 99 percentile in JEE Main, undoubtedly you are going to get good seat in NIT, as well as you have higher scope to enter into IIT even, because 99 percentile stands for almost the top 10,000 students of the country. So they will definitely have chance to enter into even IIT after performing well in JEE Advanced exam. Right dear students, now today's session is 99 percentile in 99 days. Interesting, right? So how to get 99 percentile in 99 days at JEE Main 2023. Fine, chalo. So before that dear students, all of you, please don't forget to subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel. Infinity Learn JEE, right? Fine, okay. Now myself, I think all of you know, this is Basheer, math faculty for IIT JEE, and have been teaching JEE math for the past 17 years. And dear students, undoubtedly I can give the best mechanism, best strategy for preparation for success in JEE, right? Okay, chalo. Now the first thing is our target will be JEE Advanced exam followed by JEE Main. Of course, we need to perform well in JEE Main. So the preparation, so some student will have this dilemma even. So which exam is to be focused for preparation? Some will be feeling that if we could prepare well for JEE Advanced exam, we can crack JEE Main like anything. That is not true all the times, dear friends. You see, JEE Main, for this you need to prepare the base level questions also. So JEE Advanced is little higher order one. So unless you strengthen your base level preparation in any chapter, sometimes there is a chance to miss logic for advanced question. So your preparation must be JEE Main centered, and at the same time JEE Advanced question problem solving centered. These two combination you have to do. So but major focus should be on JEE Main preparation, which is sufficient in fact to do better in JEE Advanced even with respect to me, right? Okay, fine. So dear students, the next point is how many students appear for JEE Main, right? That is my question. How many students? Can you guess, dear students? You can text here in the chat box. How many students every year appear for JEE Main? Right? 12 lakh students around appear JEE Main every year. So the competition will be among 12 lakh students, my dear friends. Now, how many good engineering seats are available across the country? If you could say in 23 IITs, around 16,000 seats plus 1500 supernumerary seats for girls. So we can say 16,000 seats, followed by in 31 NITs we have 23,997. That means around this number varies slightly every year. Around 24,000 seats are available in 31 NITs including all reservations. Next, in 26 triple ITs, 6,000 seats are available, and 33 government funded technology institutions which are almost good government bodies for engineering. So, 6,000 seats are there, and apart from this there are certain core deemed universities, like you can say like BITSAT or some other like Manipal. There are certain good deemed universities. In those altogether we can say good engineering seats will be around 18,000. Altogether I can say, dear friends, there are only 70,000 good engineering seats are available for 12 lakh students, which is just 6%. So, only 6% of the students who are targeting JEE Main are successful. The remaining students have to adjust either with the college or with the branch, right. Okay, fine. The next JEE Main related, let us see, to get succeed in a particular exam, if you have a target, you need to do complete analysis of the exam, right. First let us recall how the exam will be. I think all of you know, but for some students I want to say. So, in JEE Main pattern, you know, there will be 3 subjects, math, physics, chemistry. There will be 20, you need to answer 25 questions. As of now, as per the last couple of years paper pattern, I am saying there may be slight change even in this pattern, we can expect, right. So, now there will be 20 plus 5, 5 means numerical answer type questions, there will be 5 questions. Of course, 10 will be given, out of which you need to answer 5 questions. So, altogether for these 25 questions, for each question +4 -1 mark scheme is there, right. Even for physics you can say the same, chemistry also same. Altogether 75 questions will be there with +4 -1 marking style. The time duration is 3 hours and total marks are going to be 300 marks, my dear friends. So, for this 300 marks JEE Main exam, see, can you guess, you see, how many out of these 12 lakh students approx appear for JEE Main every year that score above 150 marks, above 150 marks out of 300 marks in JEE. Any guess? Any guess, dear students? 12 lakh students are writing the exam almost. I am just asking 50% here, out of 300, how many students could score above 150 marks, right. So, dear friends, I can say, any guesses? Less than 60,000, yes, less. Here for 12 lakh, I can say 10% is 1.2 lakh, 5% is 60,000. Only 5% of the people could score above half marks, that is 150 marks plus mark in JEE Main, right. Okay, fine. Next, you see, just I have taken some sample years 2020, 19, even 21, 22 are also parallel. So, first of all, suppose if you want to get 100 rank, what could be your percentile? Percentile depends on the number of students attend the total sessions, right. If your rank is to be around 100, I can say, my dear friends, it should be like you have to get around 99.994 percentile. Even 2019 also, 21, 22 also more or less same number of students. So, it will be around that. If your rank should be around 1000, it should be like 99.9. If your rank to be around 5000, 99.6. It should be around 10,000, 99. Do remember, 99 percentile means your rank will be around 10,000. Don't think like 99 percentile means I will be in the top 50, top 100, top 500. 99 percentile means your rank will be around 10,000 to 11,000 in between, depending on the number of students who attend the complete session, right. Then 20,000 rank in the sense 98.2 percentile, 30,000 means 97.3 percentile. So, first you target the rank. Suppose if you want to be here, you must target 99.5 percentile or 99.6, I can say. If you want to be in 10,000 at least, 10,000 at least, your target must be 99.2, 99.3 like that. Okay. So, first fix the rank, how much rank you are expecting for, accordingly you fix the percentile. So, I am just going to give you how to score 99 percentile, my dear friends. That means how to enter into top 10,000 rank initially. After that, you see the student who are already comfortable up to 10,000, that means already in that level, for them I will do another video how to get into top 100, top 1000, top 500 like that. This video is exclusively for the students who are just here, they want to enter into this zone, that means around 10,000 club. If you want to join, then this session what I am going to tell you is going to help you a lot. Okay, right. So, first fix the rank, accordingly you must know what percentile you have to get. Next, my dear student, this is a chart of numbers. This is about 2022 June percentiles, my dear friends. In this percentiles, I can say here one important point. Yeah. So, what percentile, what is the mark? That means if I want to, so my target is say some 10,000 rank. So, I have to target 99.1 percentile. So, that means how many marks should I get? It varies paper to paper based on the difficulty level of the question paper, but there is some rhythm in this. Approx, let me take June attempt of 2022, latest year 2022 June attempt. For 99 percentile, you see if your target is 99 percentile, that means your rank is around 10,000 target. If various shifts I have written, so 172 marks, 181, 187, 182, 165, 195, 206, this paper is bit easy, 188, 181, 175, 188, 190. In an average, I can say if you could score 190 marks, you see, if you could score 190 marks most of the times, 190 marks with respect to this difficulty level of the question paper, you will be 99. You want 99.1 or 99.2. So, target 200 marks, my dear friends, for 99 percentile. You have to score 200 marks, do remember. Suppose if your target is 98.5, you see the scores 155, 165, 171, 165, 152, 177, 188, 175, 162, 165, 172, 174. From this you can say, if you take in an average, I say I take the gap of half percentile, 180 mark I can say, my dear friends. So, two conclusions from this slide I want to give is, if your target is 99 percentile, that is 10,000 rank around, you must target 200 marks minimum. If your target is 98.5, that means you can say, if you 98.5 percentile means around 15,000 rank, your target must be 180 marks. 20 marks difference, 5,000 rank, to remember. Okay. So, my dear friends, fix the target. I am not going to target, even suppose 98 means your rank is around 20,000, you can say you can take a leap of 160 marks here, 160 marks, yes. So, let us stick on to this 200, 180, 160. I am going to explain the strategy how to score 200 marks, right? Fine, right, my dear friends. Now, in the same way, you see, if you want to do better than 99, you see 99.1, 99.2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 99.9 percentile also I have given. You see, almost these students will be in the top 500 marks, 245, 252, 250, around 250 marks they are. If you want to be in the top 500, you should get around 250 plus score, my dear friends. So, if any student who is who want to be in the top 100, you have to get around 260 around, right. So, it varies slightly based on the difficulty level of the paper, but roughly I am saying. So, if your target is 99.5, that is 5,000 rank, you see the scores 193, 207, 210, 203, 186, 218, 233, 208, 202, 203, 215, 209. That means, my dear friends, it is around, I can say around 200, I say 220 you fix or 210 you fix. This 210 or 220 will take you to the rank 5000 around. Yes, better, as the papers are comparatively bit difficult, you target for 220 marks in JEE, so that you will get a rank around 5000, that is 99.5 percentile, my dear friends. Okay. So, I think now your target is clear, you know what rank you want. Suppose 10,000, what percentage you require, 99, and I can say how many marks you have to score, around 200. Okay. 200 marks you have to score, my dear friends. So, accordingly you have to plan. Fine, chalo. JEE Advanced also, let me tell you one just a briefing about this. So, because you are preparing for JEE Main, the same preparation will help you to enter into IIT 7. So, in JEE Advanced, one simple and important point is, dear friends, out of the 12 lakh students who try to attend, or some student will not attend, generally they apply but they do not attend. So, out of all the students who write JEE Main, only 2.5 lakh students will be allowed to write advanced exam. We say that these students qualified for advanced exam, right. Then out of these 2.5 lakh students, right, the students who write, these are eligible to write, but these students have to apply again for JEE Advanced exam, and they need to write paper 1 and paper 2 together. So, the student who attend the exam will be around 1.5 lakh only. Almost 1 lakh students will be out without doing batting. They declare themselves they are out because they do not dare enough to attempt the exam. Yes, 1 lakh students are gone. Only 1,50,000 students will write the exam. Out of these, my dear friends, I think you know, unlike JEE Main, in advanced exam there will be subject wise cutoff, math, physics, chemistry and total wise cutoff. The students who meet, this is also very minimum, around 10 to 10%, sometimes subject wise, overall some 20% around. The students who meet this criteria will be around 43,000 only. This statistics, interestingly, for the past 4 or 5 years, similar, almost similar. And out of these 43, interesting point is, girls are around 7,000, boys are around 37,000. You see. So, out of 7,000 girls, we are having almost 4,000 seats for girls in IITs. Arey yaar, what a chance, almost 2/3 chance is there. So, even for boys, 37 boys who just qualify, there are around 12,000, 1:3 chance is there. So, you see, the student who reach here, that means you have a chance, sometimes your reservation or something may be helpful to enter into IITs. So, do not think that JEE Advanced exam is a difficult exam. Undoubtedly it is an ordinary exam with little planning, but the student who perform the best will be very few and rest of all will be in the same platform. So, if you could do better among those, you can easily enter IITs, right dear students? Fine. Next. So, even JEE Advanced also, you see, even these are the scores of various years. To get the rank of 5,000, you see the percentages, I can say 37.1, 42, 44, 57, 36, 40, 48, 47, 49, 54, 49, 47. Even 2021, 22 also you can see, for you see 5,000 rank, it will be around 35 to 40% itself. So, my dear friends, if you are able to score around 40% score also in JEE Advanced, you can comfortably enter into IITs. 40% is more than sufficient, my dear friends, to enter into IIT, right. If you want to get computer science in good top class IIT, then it depends on your performance, but if you want to enter IIT, 40% in JEE Advanced is also fine, right? Do remember that point, because these are all really useful and valid points which will definitely help you to get confidence to, to achieve JEE Advanced, right? Next. So, any shortcut to success at JEE? So everybody is saying work hard, ऐसा पढ़ो, वो पढ़ो, ये किताब पढ़ना है, वो किताब पढ़ना है, इतना नहीं आपको 24 घंटे वर्क करना पड़ेगा, ये आप सो क्यों रहे हैं, ऐसा बोलते हैं, राइट? है कि नहीं? तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कोई शॉर्टकट है क्या JEE के लिए? होता है क्या? हाँ, क्यों नहीं? जब तक बशीर है ता शॉर्टकट जरूर होता है, राइट? या विच सब्जेक्ट इज डिफिकल्ट? फर्स्ट लेट अस एनालाइज. अच्छा फाइन, मुझे JEE मेन के लिए क्या है, टारगेट क्लियर है. सपोज मुझे 10,000 रैंक चाहिए, सो 99.1 परसेंटाइल चाहिए, माने आई वांट 200 स्कोर इन टोटल. सो नाउ यू सी इन JEE मेन all the three subjects carry the same weightage, so there is no subject priority. But now to understand which subject is easy, which subject is difficult to score in JEE. Let us see, right? So dear friends, now first of all let me go with my favorite subject, physics. Okay, let us see the scores. A student to score 99.5 percentile in physics, you just see the marks obtained by the students. 83, 85, 87, 88, 80, 85, 92, 82, 77, 88, 89, 86. Approx if you want to get 99.5 percentile in physics, that means you need to score around 85 marks in physics, my dear friends. Suppose 99 percentile in physics means 75, 79, 82, 83, 74, 79. You can see the scores in an average, you can say 80 marks. So 80, 85. Suppose my dear friends, so 80 students, that means 10,000 students across the country could get around 80 marks in physics. Okay, 80 marks. Clear, dear students? So do remember, in physics 99 percentile means 80 marks, 99.5 percentile means 85 marks, right? Let us see the same in chemistry part. You just see this is my second favorite subject, chemistry. You see 99.5, 77, 76, 74, 73, 69, 87, 84, 79, 78, 78, 76, 78. In an average I can say 80 marks here, right? Here 65, 70, 67, 62, 63, 72, 79, I can say here in an average I can say 75 marks, or I can say 70 marks. Okay, 75, let us put 75. Okay. So dear students, arey yaar, it is not in one paper, you see around some 10 to 15 papers are there. Out of all, what conclusion you can say? I don't say physics is easy, but I can say one thing with respect to these question papers, physics question paper is comparatively easier than chemistry. Am I correct or not? Because to reach 99 percentile, you see in physics you require 80 marks, in chemistry 75 is enough. For 99.5 percentile in physics 85, whereas in chemistry 80. That means physics question paper is comparative, students are feeling comfortable rather than the chemistry, right? Got my point, dear students? So do remember, so that is second point. So if you are targeting for 99 percentile, you just need to score in physics around 80 marks and chemistry around 75, which gives around, I can say 155 marks, right? Fine, okay. Chalo, then coming to my subject, right? Math. So, 99.5 percentile, 56, 55, 64, 61, 50, 56, 69, 61. ये क्या है भैया? मैथ का स्कोर इतना कम है क्या? ये देखिए, it is, you can say in an average 65 marks, 99.5 percentile in the sense, right? अगर 99 परसेंटाइल चाहिए तो देखिए मैथ में कितना है स्कोर 46, 45, 51, 50, 40, 56, 55, 53, 50, 45, 53, 51. In an aggregate, I can say, my dear friends, 55 marks. 55 marks in math is going to give you 99 percentile, dear students. Yes. Arey 55, is the data correct or wrong? Correct hai yaar. The paper, math paper is comparatively time taking and lengthy, dear students. I will tell you, so last for almost all the sessions math paper was not only 2022, even 21, 20 papers were also like that. Math paper is comparatively lengthy. The one who prepares physics and chemistry well and can complete the exam of physics and chemistry in 1.5 hours or 1 hour 40 minutes, and the one who can give 1 hour 20 minutes for math is the successful student in JEE Main. Do remember, take my statement, it is fact. If at all you want to score the best, you must be extremely good at physics and chemistry, who you must complete the exam physics and chemistry together in 1 hour 40 minutes and remaining 1 hour 20 minutes. That means at least 20 minutes extra time you must be able to give to math, then only you can cross 60 marks in math. Otherwise, undoubtedly math paper will be bit lengthy, you need a lot of practice, right. So, my dear friends, if your target is 200 marks, let me tell you, so how you are going to plan? Yeah, you are going to plan like, you see, if I want to target 200 marks, I must target 80 marks minimum in physics and 75 marks minimum in chemistry, which is 155. Math, let me target 50 marks. Are yaar 60 marks. Okay, I don't want to reduce my things, you target 60. So, this is going to give you, you see, this is, I can say, 215. Target 215 for 200 marks. Physics is very, very crucial, my dear friends. So, target physics, prepare well. The subject is not difficult, we make it complicated actually. You just study with respect to the question paper, you will get easily. Then chemistry 75 marks and math 60 marks you target. So, these targets will definitely give you 215 marks. Undoubtedly, you will be in 99 percentile. Arey yaar, I am going to tell you what to do, how to get 60 marks easily in math now. Okay. So, what I do is, my dear friends, even though there are around 30 chapters in math, we can clearly classify the complete syllabus into 3 parts. Part 1, dear students, I can say first part definitely the easy part, and if you could master 10 chapters, undoubtedly you are going to get 40 to 50 marks here itself, 40 marks here itself from 10 chapters, yes. And the rest of, we see secondary chapters, tertiary chapters will be, we will discuss. You see, the first of all, let us see easy and scoring areas, let me tell you, my dear friends. These are the 10 chapters, top 10 chapters of the entire math syllabus, dear students. Matrices and determinant is, this is one of the most important chapters from where you will get minimum 2 questions, my dear friends. One from regular matrices, inverse, adjoint, determinant properties and all, one from system of equations. Vectors and 3D, if you do these 2 chapters combinedly, you will get minimum 3 questions. You cannot find a question paper of 2022 or 21 without questions from these, without 5 questions from these 2 chapters. Yes, these are the most important chapters. And mathematical reasoning, most of the times you will get 1 question, statistics 1 question, sometimes we may miss, but generally out of these 2, 1 guarantee, most of the times 2 guarantee. Then sequence and series minimum 1, sometimes 2 also. Differential equations definitely 1, and areas if you could do 1, and entire trigonometric if you take only two topics are very important: trigonometric equations 1 question and inverse trigonometry 1 question. You see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12 questions you can expect here, 10 guaranteed. 10 guaranteed if you could answer 40 marks. 40 marks means you are very close to your target. So please master these 10 chapters. Master in the sense, don't do only important questions, something. You try all the basic questions, higher level questions, top end questions, previous year questions, everything you do. These 10 chapters are going to decide your mathematical ability in the exam, right. This is the crucial portion in math. In the same way, dear friends, the second one is secondary areas. Generally we practice these a bit, and especially, but we know circles, basic questions, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. If you just do NCERT level also, your board exam level also, there is a high chance to attempt a question from this area. Don't go like very in depth and all. If you could, that is fine. If not, at least be thorough with NCERT level, right. Even circles chapter is very basic, you can do, and binomial theorem is very easy chapter. In fact, in this binomial theorem there will be 3 regions, my dear friends. One is binomial theorem for natural number index, the basic level questions. What are they? Finding particular term, independent term, coefficient of x power m, number of rational terms, and you can say sum of the coefficients and remainder related problems all together here. Then binomial coefficient properties, multinomial theorem and binomial theorem for rational index. Most of the students, by seeing these two areas, they feel binomial theorem is very difficult, but 80% of the cases question is given from this area itself, 80% of the times, okay. So my dear friends, so confine to important area at least, so that you can attempt a question from this. You have 80% chance to attempt a question from binomial theorem if you are perfect with this area. In the same way, quadratic equations, a basic one. Generally any JEE preparation, we start with quadratic equations itself. So you can do general questions also. So limits is in fact very easy, but of course if you could classify the models, you can do. Then methods of differentiation is essential for us being science student, and applications of derivative, definite integration. These are 10 secondary areas. If you could do to some level also, you can attempt at least 5 to 6 questions from them. Undoubtedly here itself, here you are going to get minimum 7 to 8 questions from here, at least 5 questions you have attempted also, very happy, right. We have reached 10 plus 5, 15, we reached our target. But still, tertiary areas, these areas are like very lengthy, sometimes there is less chance to get a question. So such topics I have listed here. So straight lines, probability is in fact very easy, but you need permutations and combinations sometimes. So complex numbers, geometry of complex numbers is the important area. You can focus only on previous year questions after going through basic questions in synopsis. Then permutations and combinations, indefinite integration is a vast topic, but so this is why I kept here. You can practice the standard models. Continuity and differentiability, you need some stuff, some student will really feel difficult in understanding the graphs and all. So this is why that topic is kept here. Trigonometry up to transformations is very huge, sometimes we get one question from this, and properties of triangles, one or none. So in this way, my dear friends, if you could classify the topics, you see it is very easy to reach 60 marks in math. Accordingly, you have to put your complete effort on the first 10 chapters, then secondary based on the time, tertiary at least if you are in comfortable with, you see, your board exam level, you can attempt the question, dear friends. So in the same way, physics and chemistry also you need to plan, like divide the chapters, but you see, to get 99 percentile physics you have to touch 80, chemistry 75, it is not like math, be careful, okay. In the same way, dear friends, how to prepare? Preparation in the sense, my dear friends, yeah, first of all, any chapter when you pick up, so since you are going to start the revision, let us first recall all the important points of the chapter, followed by you just recall basic important model, one problem each for each model. Then next you practice one particular DPP kind of exam kind of paper and correct your questions, and whatever you have done mistakes, again you round off and try to recall. In this way, try to complete your preparation in a cyclic way, so that, and frequent revisions are very, very important, you just follow that. Next, key points in the sense how you plan your exam. Once you have planned all this preparation, you need to attempt certain questions. You see, at Infinity Learn, we are also having, you see, special batches, and you can also have test series availability also. You can just approach Infinity Learn, will help you at least in the form of, if you want, you can also take only test series also, right? Or you can also have fast track batches, and just enroll at Infinity Learn, go to Infinity Learn website, you can find the information there. We will be available, our number in the sense our mentors will be available, they will contact you. So if at all you want any kind of help, we are ready to provide, right dear students. So the key points is planning, second preparation, third one, in the perfect manner you have to execute in the exam. That means similar kind of question papers you need to try, and you need to rectify your mistakes, so that it definitely gives you perfection to score the best, right dear students. That is all the best. It is not that difficult to score 99 percentile, because you just feel like many students may be working but without any proper planning. We means yourself and myself, let us all work together to give you the best result, right dear students. Thank you, all the best from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. Bye bye.